Reversing hair loss in women. Did you know everyday women experience a hair fall of around 50 to 100 strands and it is absolutely normal? Losing around 100 strands makes no difference to the hair volume, which consists of about 100,000 or more hair follicles. Only when women experience abnormal excessive hair fall, it may lead to hair loss and hair thinning, resulting into an appearance of reduced hairline or bald patches. What causes hair loss in women? Aging. Almost all women older than 40 years start experiencing hair thinning. Women around 60 to 70 years experience bald patches, most commonly known as female pattern baldness, and loss of eyebrows. Hormones. Any hormonal changes in female influence their hair life cycle. Pregnancy, menopause, certain medication that causes fluctuations in hormone and stress can also lead to hair loss. Medication and medical conditions. Hair loss can also be triggered due to certain illnesses such as thyroid imbalance and as a side effect of medicines and radiation therapies. Hair care. Continual usage of chemical-filled styling products and styling treatments will cause hair thinning, hamper the growth of hair follicles, and eventually lead to severe hair loss. Nourishment. Diet plays a crucial role in providing sufficient nutrition for our hair. Proper intake of vitamins, proteins, water, and a balanced diet aids in maintaining healthy hair volume. Hereditary hair loss, also known as androgenetic alopecia. There is no certain age for the onset of androgenetic alopecia, but with timely and right treatment, it can be treated. How can we reverse hair loss in women? Hair loss in women can be reversed. The advanced hair loss treatments available in V-Plant Hair Clinic can help reverse excessive hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. V-Plant Hair Clinic offers painless, non-surgical hair replacement treatment. With advanced MHI and upgraded MHI Plus hair transplant treatment, you can stop hair loss, gain back a healthy hair volume, and restore hairline successfully. Thank you for watching.